Oh, you're laying on your toy now. Silly. Oh, as soon as I get out the camera, you stop playing with it? Okay, we'll take videos of this one. She's having a good old time with her cat kicker there. Decided not to use her bed this time, but, you know, lay on the newspaper and do cat kicker stuff. And oh, there you are. You're not on your bed though right now. There's your bed. Oh, you're gonna go sit in the back. Oh, darn. Oh, look, you're laying on your bed. Oh, what a good kitty. That's a good girl. That's a brand new bed. We just got that Tuesday. What a good girl. This one is the funniest. Oh, you didn't start back up again.
Maybe he needs a little initial high.
This one, this one was so excited when I brought the catnip kickers over. He picked his own before I could even give him one. Hey, sweetie. Oh, look at the kitty. Oh, there you go. Oh, get it. Happy pound kitties, getting to play with cool toys and sleep on nice beds.